Hey, in this video, I will show you how to post TikTok on Instagram in 2021 on any iPhone, on any Android device. It's very simple. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. And also, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm curious to know. So what you want to actually do is go on TikTok, find any video that you would like to post on Instagram, just save it, click on it, click on the three dots next to it, click on save video right here at the bottom. When it's saved, you want to go out of TikTok, click on Instagram. From there, you want to click on the plus icon and just select the video. It's as simple as that. I told you it's a pretty simple video. Just click on next and so on. If you want to post it as a reel, go on your profile, click on plus, click on reel. Click on reel. Now post it as a reel, just like this. It's very simple. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I'm creating a lot of videos just like this, hundreds of videos just like this for your value. And if you have any questions, comment them down below. I try to get back to as many comments as I can. Each like, by the way, gets us a few more views, so it's really helpful. Don't forget to like. See you in the next video. Bye.